If you're looking for the best Coursera Plus promotion available right now, there's a limited time deal that could save you a lot of money on your subscription. Before we get started, you'll find a discount link in the description below that gives access to the current Coursera Plus offer. Right now, new Coursera Plus subscribers can get the annual plan for just $239 instead of the regular $399 price. That's a 40% discount and works out to less than $20 per month when billed annually. This special offer is scheduled to end on July 13th, 2026. Coursera Plus gives you unlimited access to more than 10,000 courses, specializations, professional certificates, guided projects, and hands-on labs from over 350 leading universities and companies. You can learn in-demand skills from top organizations like Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, the University of Michigan, Vanderbilt University, and many more. Whether you're interested in AI, Python, business, data science, technology, or career development, Coursera Plus allows you to take multiple programs without paying separately for each one. Another big advantage is unlimited certificates. Every time you complete an eligible course, you can earn a credential that helps strengthen your resume and showcase your skills. Many learners use Coursera Plus to prepare for career changes, gain new skills for their current jobs, or simply continue learning at their own pace. Since the annual plan covers so much content, it often provides much better value than purchasing courses individually. If you plan to take more than one course this year, the annual Coursera Plus plan is usually the most cost-effective option. So if you've been waiting for a good deal, this may be the best Coursera Plus promotion available right now before the price returns to normal. Check the discount link in the description below to see the latest Coursera Plus offer and start learning from some of the world's leading universities and companies.